Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are going to make GESNER'S TULIP, which has a very strong pattern on the petals, and we are going to use acrylic paints to capture the patterns. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, we're going to start with the flower center. Take out 3 pieces of 6 cm 20 gauge wires and some scrap yellow paper. Cut the yellow paper into thin strips and wrap the wire with some UHU glue. We wrap these wires for twice to get a stronger color. Then we take out a round nose pliers to create a small loop on the top. Get a piece of 26 gauge wire and trim them into 6 pieces of 5 cm long wires. Take a piece of dark purple crepe paper and wrap the wires with the UHU glue. Now we're going to work on the pollens in the flower center. Bend 1.5 cm to the left and bend 1 cm back to the right to get a T shape. If you need a more detailed explanation, you can check out our lily tutorial. Cut a few purple rectangles and wrap the top T with it. Give the endings a trim. Next, we can wrap the 3 yellow wires together with the light green flower tape and add 3 pieces of 18 gauge wire underneath to lengthen the stem. Add the 6 pollens to the flower center, place them evenly and wrap them together with some flower tape. Open up the pollens and bend them straight. It should look like this. Now cut the petals out according to the template. We will need 6 pieces of the beige petals. Take out the black and red acrylics. Mix it into a dark red color. Make sure you color the petals slowly. And get a size 0 paintbrush to add the details. Once you have done one side, let it dry and come back for the opposite side. Get some references to help you with the pattern. After the coloring on both sides, add a bit of blue to the dark red mix. Pick the inner side of the petal and add a little of the dark purple mix to the bottom of the petal. Shaping time. Gather the creases at the bottom of the petal. Curl the petal and expand a little in the middle. Use a pair of tweezers to create some creases on the top. Do the same to all the petals. Then we attach the petals to the flower center with some UHU glue. add 3 petals evenly as the first layer. Once it's dry, we expand the bottom to get a round shape. Add the other 3 petals as the second layer. Wrap the bottom of the petal with some flower tape. Shape the flower to your preference. Cut 2 pieces of half leaves and attach a 26 gauge wire in the middle with UHU Glue. Give the leaf a trim and curl the edges. Wrap the leaf and the stem with some light green flower tape. Shape the leaves to a more natural form. I opened up one of the tulips by curling the petals. People have a very strong impression on tulips' half-open state. You don't even see open tulips in photographs very much. For my GESNER'S TULIP, I've decided to open one up and keep one half open. Getting the shape right will require your artistic sense. Take your time and try it out. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. And all our templates and DIY kits are available on our Etsy store. Check them out. See you guys next week.